Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I am going to show you all how I make elderflower syrup. Elderflowers have a unique, sweet, summery scent. They can be found from end of May to mid-June. They are rich in vitamin C. For this syrup I have taken about 40 flower heads. You will need flowers, 2 liters of water, 2 kilos of sugar, 4 organic oranges, 2 organic limes and 2 tablespoons citric acid. Slice the oranges and the limes after washing. Prepare the flowers by cutting off the stalks. Use a big bucket or a container or a glass bowl. Put in the flowers. Add 2 kilos of sugar. Two tablespoons of citric acid, the sliced limes, and the sliced oranges. Boil 2 liters of water. And add stir well till the sugar melts. Cover with a clean towel and let it rest for 3 to 4 days. After 3 or 4 days, strain refill in sterile bottles and enjoy. To sterilize bottles, wash and boil bottles for 10 minutes or for 10 minutes in an oven. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Take care and bye-bye.